Okay, today's DIY is going to be a quick, easy way of changing your headlight bulb. It's fiddly, not hard. For some ridiculous reason, the dealer charges $300 to change a light bulb. This one, the low beam's out. The low beam, high beam, it's all going to do the same work. Alright, obviously, pop the hood. Don't forget to disconnect the battery for legal reasons only, of course. Gotta disconnect that every time you mess with wiring. Okay, once you pop the hood, you'll have easy access to seeing the side of the headlight right here. That little lever. There we go, you can see it. And then a little square button looking thing right there next to it. See if we can get a better shot at it. Right here. Beautiful. There's the lever. There's the button. Alright, all you gotta do is just push the button and get that lever up. That button locks the lever in position. So you have to kind of push that and lift the lever up at the same time. Not that bad, really. And you can see what happens. The headlight pushes out ever so slightly. See if we can put it back in. You can kind of see it move. See that? Alright, just so we're on the same page. Got the lever all the way up to the top. See, like on this side, take the right hand, push the lever up, and kind of work around the headlight a little bit. Just gently try to pull it forward. It's going to pull out straight. The way it's project, that's the direction it's going to come out. So kind of keep pulling it that way. Do need both hands, so this is what you're going to end up with. If the headlight doesn't want to move on you, just keep pushing that lever up. There's a lock mechanism in the actual headlight unit. It keeps it from sliding out, so got to keep jacking with that lever a little bit. Pull that straight out. Disconnect that harness down here. There's a little tab right here. If I get close enough to it. This one right here. Just pull that up gently so you don't bust it off. And you end up with the whole housing out. Okay. There's the housing out of it. All you need to do right now on the top part of the light, you see this lever system right here. Push it, give it a good tug. Maybe there's a little more to it. No. Come on, you bear. There we go. Took a little tugging on it. Okay. Apparently the top light is an H1. Fancy ass contraption on here. Pull the wire off. Don't think I need to mess with the ground wire. When you have the clip, it's pretty self-explanatory. See if we can get this thing to focus today. There we go. Clip right here, down and sideways, out. That's what keeps the light in. Pull that out. Yeah, that one's nice and crispy. Now the important part with light bulbs is to not touch the glass element at all. So when you take it out of the package, make sure you grab it by the bottom. Get this right. Okay. They only fit in one way, so it's not too hard to fit. Then just make sure it's seated right. Clip back together. Reconnect it. And the cap goes right back on it. And the cap has little latches on the bottom. They go on the bottom here. Line those up. Put the bad boy back in. Once you slide her back in, pull the lever back down. Make sure the little waffle pattern button's locked back in. So everything's nice and tight. You're done. Yep, not really sure why the hell the dealer charges $300 to do this. Because they can. Alright, the other side works exactly the same. Same system. Somebody decided to bust that lock button up on me already. That's why I do DIY videos. It's a little shit that it's a pain in the ass, right? Alright, enjoy the video. Another one down.